Hello guys, in this video tutorial you will learn how to set up your anchor links for Squarespace website. An anchor link is basically like any other link. It can take up to your section on particular page or another page. So jump down to that section. Anchor link is great if you want to skip around different sections. So let's get started. Just type Squarespace in Google. Then click on the link and open in a new tab. Okay, firstly we need to open your Squarespace account. After opening an account, click on get started. Here you can find numerous templates available. Now just select any one of these templates. And if you think it is best, then click on preview your website and start with the design. You need to add your website title. My website. Okay. Before setting anchor links, you have to note that you have to be on Squarespace business plan or higher to use this anchor links technique. Okay. Firstly, to decide an anchor link, you have to decide in which section you have to jump to. Okay, first click on edit. Okay, I want to jump here, so for this you need to create an block, code block. Click on code. After clicking on code, click on the edit menu. Now you have to type a code accordingly. Div id equal to plus, then write any name you want to. I want to write after party, and then click on the link. Now enter it. Click on div, click on /div. Okay, here is your code ready. It is not seen, it is gone behind. After it, click on done and click on save. Now again go to the edit menu. Now here in main section you need to create an button to go through this particular section. So click on button. Click on the after third party. Okay, click on OK. Now you need to click on this to jump on this after party section. For this you need to see the code over. Click on the code. You need to then copy this after party. Then go to our main button. Click on edit. Now first you need to type hash and copy. After it, click on done and click on save. Okay, our anchor link is ready. Now just test your link on the after party. Okay, it will directly jumps into that section. So that in this way you can create the anchor links on a particular page to jump on that section. Now we need to create an anchor link to jump on another page. So firstly you need to decide which page you want to jump to. So I click on the registry page. Here we want to take up my anchor link. So if you decide, then click on edit. Click on the add block button. Click on code. Okay, great. Now follow the same code we apply on that particular page. Start writing in /div id equal to now rename this page the registry, only registry. Okay, and close it. Now click on hash div. Okay, great. Here is our code applied. Now click on done and save. Now again open our main page. And click on edit. Here we want to create a button here, so plus delete this button. Edit it. Now rename it to registry. After renaming them, click on settings button. Click on the page where you want to jump to. Now click on slash and we jump on the registry page. Click on the registry page and click on open a new window. Click on save. After it, we have to apply the same step we apply on that section particular page. Now click on the registry and click on type registry. Great. Now click on done, click on save. Now we tell that click on registry button and it will directly jump to that section of the particular page. Okay, great. Here how in this way you can create an anchor link to jump on the different page. Now we just add the code to our website to smooth the scrolling. So firstly we need to go to home, design and click on custom CSS. Here you can add a code to smooth out the scrolling effect. So firstly you need to type HTML email smooth scroll. Here is our code. Now click on save. Now you can check that the scrolling effect could be improved. Click on my website. Click on the register button. Here you can see that the scrolling effect will be improved by adding a code in custom CSS template. So friends, that is how you can set up your anchor links in Squarespace.